Hello bachcho, we have started this lesson Should Wizard Hit Mommy, written by John Updike. In this, we have read that Jack every day tells a story to his daughter Jo, and he had same type of storyline, and he tells this story so that Jo may sleep easily. So, uh, this day, when Joe asked Joe which story she wants to uh, uh, Jack asked, who shall the story be about today? Me today, whose story you want to listen? Jack, although this is known to everyone, but Joe is also knowing that daily Jack tells the story of Roger. But Joe thinks, and after thinking, she says Roger, skunk. She wanted to listen the story of a skunk. Skunk as a character, and his name being Roger. So Roger Skunk was because Roger Skunk this skunk has already come in the story. That's why Joe is knowing about skunk, because when Roger told Joe many stories. In those stories, there was one character of skunk, and skunk was very smelly. That's why there was no friend of skunk. So Joe wanted to see skunk as hero. Joe wanted that all his friends should play with skunk. So that's why Joe wanted to listen this story. So Joe said, okay. He smelled so bad that none of the other little woodland creatures would play with him. Joe looked at him solemnly. She had not foreseen this. Whenever he would go out to play, Jack continued with a jest, remembering certain humiliations of his own childhood. All of the other tiny animals would cry. Now Joe is telling stories. Joe is saying that no animal wants to play with Roger Skunk. And he also want to tell many times skunk's friend or friends humiliated him. Humiliated means insulted him. And Jack here tried to remember his own childhood. All of the other tiny animals would cry, "Oh, here comes Roger, sticky skunk." And they would run away, and Roger skunk would stand there all alone. Two little round tears would fall from eyes. The corner, Joe's mouth dropped down and her lower lip bent forward as it traced with a forefinger along the side of her nose and course of one of Roger Skunk's tears. So Roger Skunk used to weep because no friend wanted to play with him. Wouldn't he see the owl? So now um, Joe is knowing the story. So Joe says, why is he not going to owl? Because owl will give the solution. She asked in a high and faintly roughened voice. She means Joe. Sitting on the bed beside her, Jack felt the covers tug her legs switched tensely. He was pleased with this moment. He was telling her something truth, something she must know, and had no wish to hurry on. But downstairs a chair scraped, and he realized he must get down to help Claire paint the living room woodwork. Claire is Jack's wife and mother of Joe. So downstairs means in the ground floor, Claire is doing painting work, and she is tired. She needs help of Jack, but Jack is stuck here. Jack must tell the story to Joe, otherwise Joe will not sleep, and if Joe will not sleep, there will be problem. That's why Jack is trying to make her asleep. So Jack here also wants to give some lesson to Joe. So Joe is now telling the story. Well, he walked along very sadly and came to a very big tree, and in the tip top of a tree was an enormous wise old owl. Okay, so Roger Skunk was now very tensed because no friend of him was playing with him. So he went into the jungle, into the forest, and there was a very big tree. And that big tree, in the tip top means at the uppermost, there was enormous means very big, wise, old owl. Good. Who said this? Joe. Joe said good. Mr. Owl, Roger Skunk said, all the other animals run away from me because I smell so bad. So Roger Skunk said, Mr. Owl, all the other little animals run away from me because I smell so bad. So you do, the owl said. Very bad. Owl said, yes, you do. You are very bad. Your smell is very bad. What can I do? Roger Skunk said, and he cried very hard. Roger Skunk is now weeping, crying. What can I do? The wizard, Joe shouted and sat right up, and a little golden book spilled from the bed. So Joe was so excited. Joe says, now Owl is not saying, Joe is saying. Joe said, the wizard. And when Joe was so excited, she sat up. Means earlier she was lying on bed, now she sat up on the bed. And suddenly one book, the name of book was a little golden book, spilled from the book, means falls from the bed to the floor. Now Joe, Daddy is telling the story. Do you want to tell Daddy the story? So now Jack becomes irritated. Jack says, Daddy is telling the story. If Daddy is telling the story, so allow Daddy to tell the story. Don't tell yourself. Jack also asked a question. Do you want to tell Daddy the story? No, you, me. Then lie down and be sleepy. So Jack says, okay, lie down and be sleepy. Her head relapsed onto the pillow and she said, out of your head. Well, the owl thought and thought. At last he said, why don't you go to see the wizard, Daddy? What? So owl thought and thought. Then owl said, why don't you go to the wizard? Wizard means magician. Daddy. So Joe says, Daddy. Jack says, what? Are magic spells real? So Joe asked this question. This is typical children question. Generally children ask such type of questions. Are magic spells real? Means magic things are real. Means all the magicians and they do magic. Is it real? This was a new phase. Just this last month, a reality phase. When he told her, spiders eat bugs, she turned to her mother and asked, do they really? And when Claire told her God was in the sky and all around them, she turned to her father and insisted with a sly yet eager smile, is he really? So now Joe started questioning everything. when Joe told about wizard, her question was means magician means really magician can do anything, means magic or this chamatkar like thing. When Claire told her that a spider eats bugs, so she questions, she says, is it really? When Claire told her that God is in the sky and God sees everything, and and God God actually helps us. So her question, Joe questions this. Joe says, "Is he really?" So now the question was, means magic spells are real or not? Jack answered curtly, "They are real in storage." She said she had made him miss a beat in the narrative. The owl said, "Go through the dark woods, under the apple trees, into the swamp, over the creek." So owl said, "Go through the dark woods," means dense forest, very deep forest. Go into the forest, jungle. And under the apple tree, there you will find a forest of apple, and under one apple tree, into the swamp, there is a swamp. Swamp means marshy area, uh, where land area is not dry. Over the creek, what is a creek? Joe asked this question, what is a creek? A little river. Creek means a small river. Over the creek, so just follow the river, go into the river, and there will be the wizard house. And when you will cross the river, there will be wizard's house. And that is the way Roger Skunk went. So Roger Skunk followed the direction given by Owl, and he reached there. The pretty soon he came to a little white house, and he rapped on the door. So he reached at the house of wizard, and he rapped on, means he knocked the door. Jack rapped on the windowsill, and under the cover Joe's tall figure clenched in an infantile thrill. So Jack was rapping the windowsill because bed was Joe was lying on bed, and bed was just beside the window. So Joe was knocking the window. Jack was knocking the window. Joe was very excited because Joe was knowing that now wizard will come out. And then a tiny little old man came out. Door opens, and tiny means small, and old man, dwarf size old man came out with a long white beard, and his beard was very long and white, and a pointed blue hat, and just like magician wear pointed, just like in Harry Potter you must have seen pointed blue hat. So wizard says, what is? Why he said like this? Because Roger Skunk was smelling very bad. That's why he said, what is? What I want? You smell awful. The wizard's voice was one of Jack's own favorite effects. He did it by scrunching up his face and somehow whining through his eyes, which felt for the interval roomy. So his eye was inside, and he was roomy. Roomy means his joints had pain. He was not comfortable in standing and walking. He felt being an old man suited him, but all the things were actually good for an old man. An old man should not walk very much. Okay, बच्चों, for today we will continue this in my next class. Thank you.